Okay, today we're going to apply systems of equations. We have solved them using graphing substitution and elimination. We've learned how to determine which one of those would be the best method. So then we're going to apply them today. So to solve a word problem, the first thing we're going to do is identify and label the variables. We need to know what we're solving for and what they mean. Step 2 says to write the two equations. This is probably the hardest step to do. Once you have that, you're going to solve either using substitution or elimination, and you'll determine the best method by looking at your equations. 4, you're going to identify the solution as either one solution, and that means the lines intersect. No solution, the lines are parallel, or infinite, they graph as the same line. 5, you're going to interpret the solution. What does it mean? What did I just find? So example 1 says that at a sale, Sarah bought 4 t-shirts, 3 pairs of pants for $181. Jenna bought 1 t-shirt and 2 pairs of jeans for $94. The t-shirts were all the same price and the jeans were all the same price. Write and solve a system of equations to find out the price of each t-shirt and pair of jeans. So the first thing that I would do is I would say T equals t-shirts. You have to label your variables. And I'm going to use J or P for pants or jeans. You could use J for jeans. And then I'm going to use some information. The first information comes from what Sarah did. Sarah bought 4 t-shirts. So I'm going to say 4T plus 3 pairs of pants or jeans equals $181. Then it goes on to what Jenna did. Jenna bought 1 shirt and 2 pairs of jeans for $94. So 1 t-shirt plus 2 pairs of jeans for $94. And then I'm going to look at my system. Here's my system. How do I solve it? I'm going to look and I see that my variables are lined up, as are the equals. Because they're lined up, then I know I'm going to use elimination. The next thing I'm going to look for in elimination is, can I add right now and eliminate a variable? So I look at the t values. I have a 4 and a 1. They are not the same. Then I look at the p values. They are not the same. So I'm going to have to create, I say opposite coefficients, so that these values are either opposite or those values are opposite. So I can see that it's easy to make a 1 become a 4 by multiplication. So I'm going to take this bottom equation and multiply by -4. I'm going to rewrite it below here. Remember that -4 has to go to all 3 terms. So you get -4t, and -4 times 2 is -8p equals... Okay, then I have -4 times 94, and this gives me -376. Then I'm going to rewrite that top equation right below it. And now I can go ahead and add these. When I add them, the t's are eliminated. Then I have -8p plus 3p to get -5p. And this equals -376 plus 181, which is -195. From here you divide by -5, and we get positive 39 on the other side. From here we have what the pants equal. We still need to find out what the shirts equal, or the t-shirts. So I'm going to take the top equation. I'm going to go into it, and I'm going to replace this p here with a 39. So I have 4t plus 39 equals 181. Sorry, I forgot this. 3 times 39 equals 181. And then we're going to solve this. 4t plus 3 times 39 is 117 equals 181. Then we subtract the 117. We get 4t equals 64. I have to rewrite it right here. 4t equals 64. Divide by 4. And t equals 16. So now we need to analyze our answer here. It says that, or reread our question, I guess you should say. It says, write and solve a system to find out the price of each t-shirt and pair of pants. So I'm going to go ahead and erase some of this so I can write my solution, or my answer in this case. So we would say that each t-shirt cost $16, and each pair of pants cost $39. Okay, for our second equation, it says Ben has been saving nickels and dimes. He has 27 coins in all, and the total value is $1.95. How many nickels and how many dimes does he have? So the first thing you're going to need to do is assign your variables. I'm going to say N equals nickels and D equals dimes. I'm going to look at that first part. It says he has 27 coins in all. So that's a total. He has nickels and dimes, and he has how many? 27 altogether. Then it says the total value is $1.95. A total value. So we're talking about value. We need to think about how much a nickel is. A nickel is worth 5 cents, and a dime is worth 10 cents. So that will all add up to equal $1.95. Now we're going to look at this. We can see that these are all lined up. Because they're all lined up, we're going to use elimination. And we can go ahead and multiply this top one by negative 0.10. It really doesn't matter what you choose, but we'll go ahead and choose that. Let me write that in a different color. So we get negative 0.10n plus negative 0.10d, and this equals negative 270. Okay, from here we can go ahead and add our equations. You can see right here that these two will eliminate. You have 0.05 minus 0.10, and that's negative 0.05. On the other side, $1.95 minus 270 gives us negative 0.75. We're going to divide now by negative 0.05 to get n all by itself, and we get n is 15. And then we're going to go back to one of our equations. I'm going to go back to the top equation right here. And it says n plus d is 27, so n is 15 plus d is 27. We subtract 15 from both sides, and d equals 12. So we would say, oops, for our answer we would say that Ben has, I'm going to write it off to the side over here, 12 dimes and 15 nickels. Alright, that should take you through your assignment. I don't have it on here. It's your Applying Systems of Equations worksheet. It should be 5-6. Alright, good luck.